Hi, it's Sandra, and I am going to pick the winner of my September giveaway. And don't forget, if you are the winner, to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com, and I will send this off in the mail probably tomorrow. And just remember what this is, so everybody remembers. It is Maniology's Express Kit, but it's last year's Express Kit. So you're going to get everything that was in the Express Kit from last year. So even down to the postcards and the candy. So you're going to get a box, little thing of glitters or powder, and you're going to get 2 plates, 2 Halloween plates. And this again was last year's box and Express Kit. So let's draw the winner and see who wins. Good luck to everybody. All right, I'm going to start this. Zoom this in here. And the winner is Dorothy Hensley. So Dorothy, congratulations. Yay. And like I said, don't forget to email me. As soon as you email me, I will send out this gift. And thanks everybody for watching, and congratulations again to Dorothy Hensley. Thank you.